Hi, my name is Dr. Helen-Brikins. In the first lecture for this week, we examined the history of media. Specifically, you were taught about the movement from traditional to new media. In this lecture, our attention will focus on the internet opportunities and challenges. The internet has transformed life tremendously. Billions of computers are connected and individuals from any part of the world can access information. An application of one of man's greatest discoveries is found in every discipline, be it education, commerce, politics, medicine, communication, entertainment, news, sports, manufacturing, and so on. In this lecture, we shall consider some benefits and opportunity offered by the internet. We shall also examine some of its disadvantages and determine ways in which we can use this great discovery responsibly. At the end of this lecture, however, you should be able to identify advantages and opportunities provided by the internet. Explain how people can use the internet responsibly, and examine challenges and risks involved in the use of the internet. Now, let us look at some of the advantages of the internet. The internet offers a wide range of opportunities to users in virtually all spheres of human operations. Individuals use it to obtain information that has changed their lives for the better. People learn skills with which they provide services and earn an income. We will examine a few of the advantages it offers. In communication, the internet has made communication easy in ways we never imagined possible. Sending and receiving electronic mails has made life much easier than it was. The internet connects billions of computers worldwide and users can share information. Within a few minutes, you can get breaking news on any device of your choice if you are connected to the internet. You can make inquiries about various services online by using any of the search engines. Even job seekers can make inquiries and obtain information about the kind of job they seek. People who are far away from one another can hold video conferences. This saves a lot of time and money and is quite convenient. You can share your ideas with the world by posting text, videos, and pictures. All these are referred to as content. Then in education, there is a great difference between literacy and illiteracy. Education improves the lives of individuals and society. Education changes people's perspectives to life, and improved education affects life and society positively. Education provides access to economic growth and social stability. The internet offers a lot of educational resources. Learning resources creatively put together are available on various websites and are updated regularly. Young learners find the graphics provided with internet learning resources appealing. The graphics, animation, and slides enhance understanding of the subject matter. The internet has made distance learning possible. People can register as students of online institutions and obtain degrees upon completing the programs. Students can register in virtual libraries where they can access rich learning materials. Teachers and writers can obtain a whole lot of information for schoolwork. Even students who have to work can learn at their own convenience. They can start up their devices and connect to their virtual classrooms. Students can contact their teachers and other students by email. In actual fact, tutorials can take place in chat rooms. A lot of useful information on any field is available on the internet for people who might need it, even though they are neither students nor teachers. Then in health, it is useful in reducing and even eliminating disease. It could be a vital source of information for health workers, especially in areas where there is a shortage of staff. People can access information on how to manage certain health conditions and how to remain healthy. Also in trading, online shopping has made life much easier as it is much more convenient than going to the shop. People and organizations market their goods and services online. In fact, certain kinds of trading are done only on the internet. Online banking. Online banking is convenient, fast, easy, and efficient. With the aid of your cell phone, you can check your balance, transfer funds into other accounts, and pay bills, timing and geographical location notwithstanding. Social networking. The internet gives people the opportunity to maintain contact with their friends, make very many new friends, and even become popular. Many people enjoy being on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Snapchat, etc. Entertainment. Some websites are dedicated to entertainment, and users visit them to have as much fun as they may require. Besides, you could get video games, music, movies, comics, and all sorts of content in the genre of entertainment from the internet. Internet of Things. You can make devices in your home connected and smarter by simply giving them access to the internet. When the devices are connected, you can control them remotely from your computer and smartphone. Such connectivity will make your devices work better and will also help you to save energy, money, and time. Cloud storage. You can get a backup for your computer files by storing them in the clouds and then access them from anywhere in the world. What are the risks associated with the internet? People can access unwanted, unhelpful, and harmful information on the internet. A lot of people post wrong information. Cyber criminals can steal online shoppers' identity while such people are trying to shop online. Criminals hack people's mails. In some cases, they could deceive people into revealing their bank credentials and then steal their money. Cyber criminals could also send people mails trying to get them to download malware. Some websites promote and encourage antisocial behavior. Some promote weird ideas that could frighten people so much as to affect their minds. Some people have come to harm because they trusted friends they met on social media. Some young people have been pressured into committing suicide by their virtual friends. A lot of cyber criminals deceive unsuspecting people by providing false information simply to defraud their victims. Being on the internet could be time-consuming. Many people spend long hours surfing the net on things that add no value to their lives. Many lazy students find it convenient to steal other people's intellectual property from the internet and present it as theirs. Also, privacy is not guaranteed in many cases. How to use the internet responsibly. Here are some ways in which you can use the internet responsibly. 1. Learn to detect phishing scams. That is, the mails created by criminals to steal your money and identity but look legitimate. 2. Do not open email attachments from senders you do not know. They could be malware. 3. Avoid making purchases from unknown online retailers until you are able to verify their websites. 4. Do not post data you consider private. 5. Avoid accessing your mail and online banking accounts using public hotspots. 6. Ensure your PC is protected by good security software. 7. Stay focused and stick to the sites which are useful to you. Do not surf the net aimlessly. 8. Exercise great caution when accepting invitation to meet your virtual contacts at a physical location, as they could be dangerous. With this, we have come to the end of this lecture. We believe by now you have learnt about the internet, its applications, advantages and disadvantages. You should by now clearly understand how to use the internet as a responsible citizen. In the next lecture, you will be taken through citizen journalism and the concept of the global village. See you soon. Thank you.